Up next, in consumer electronics, does this listing still stand out for value today?
Quick price check. $66 here compared with about $99.99 on comps. And that spread is still meaningful for shoppers.
Do the comps and confidence still support moving on this one soon?
We are comparing against 28 similar active listings, so this call is backed by meaningful data and we are confident in the value case.
Beyond price, what makes this useful for the right buyer?
Here is the buyer context. This Garmin Dashcam Mini 3 is ideal for drivers seeking a compact, high-definition camera with a 140-degree field of view for enhanced road visibility.
One-sentence decision takeaway.
With this price gap and supporting comps, this looks like a worthwhile deal to check now if it matches what you need.
Kicking things off with our next listing in consumer electronics, is this one worth picking up today?
Quick price check. $53 here compared with about $199 on comps. And that spread is still meaningful for shoppers.
Is that value gap backed by enough examples? Or should buyers take a slower look?
The evidence is strong here, with 22 comparable active listings, and we are reasonably confident this can be a great buy for the right shopper.
Beyond price, what makes this useful for the right buyer?
Practical everyday fit. This listing is best for buyers looking for parts or a project, as the turntable is listed as for parts or not working. The condition indicates that the turntable may not function properly, so be prepared for potential repairs or refurbishing needs.
One-sentence decision takeaway.
Pricing and evidence line up well here, so this one is worth a closer look while this value is still available.
Kicking things off with our next listing in consumer electronics, is this one worth picking up today?
Quick price check. $249.99 here, compared with about $414.86 on comps, and that spread is still meaningful for shoppers.
Do the comps and confidence still support moving on this one soon?
The evidence is strong here, with 29 comparable active listings, and we are reasonably confident this can be a great buy for the right shopper.
Beyond price, what makes this useful for the right buyer?
Practical everyday fit. This Zidoo Z9X Pro media player is ideal for home theater enthusiasts seeking advanced features like Dolby Vision and HDR10+ for a high-quality viewing experience.
Bottom line for today's viewer.
The value case is still strong, so this is a smart listing to review before pricing shifts.
Let us break down our next listing in consumer electronics. Does this price look like a real deal right now?
The asking price is $199, and similar listings are around $249. So buyers are still seeing a helpful value gap.
Is that value gap backed by enough examples, or should buyers take a slower look?
We found 26 similar active listings, and we are very confident this is a solid value opportunity.
Give shoppers the practical angle in one line.
Practical everyday fit. These Sony WH-1000 XM6 Bluetooth over-ear headphones are ideal for users seeking high-quality sound and comfort, perfect for music, calls, and videos on the go.
One-sentence decision takeaway.
With this price gap and supporting comps, this looks like a worthwhile deal to check now if it matches what you need.